How to embed a YouTube video into a Word document. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can embed a YouTube video to our document in Word. So let's just get into the video. It is simple, very simple. Go to your document and you can go to the Insert tab at the top in your document. When you go to the Insert tab, you'll be finding different options available. So before embedding a link, you need to write in a word and select up the word. And once you've selected the word, you can go to the link section right here from the insert section. After that, under this address bar, you need to go ahead and copy and paste the link that you have provided. You can go to the browse pages, click on OK, and you'll be finding the latest turning to blue color, which means you have added the link to that particular text. So that is how you embed your YouTube video into a text in Word document. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.